I have a fluff that like will not go away.
Me? Okay. We're gonna take a closer
Hold on,
look.
I have something in my eye. What the heck?
Do you have chocolate on your face?
Yeah.
No.
Or soy sauce. The next products that
Sorry, hold on. I was wiping my mouth.
Oh,
You wanna add anything?
literally have something in my eye and I can't keep it open. We drink beer when we film. There's some gross stuff in here because I haven't cleaned it out.
Clean eraser.
That's gross. Oh fuck, we never finished this. Now maybe I should clean it. If you enjoyed this video, please let us know. Stop! What's the hardest thing to say today? This is heliophilia.
Sorry, I think it's heliophilia. Difficult low waste product there is for. Oh. Why even switch to a face deraser? Vitamin C is a waller.
Remember these techniques.
To keep the skin So first things using soften colors. Soften colors.
Let us know if this comment was helpful.
This is so long.
And as always,
What's the first sentence again? Moth bean extract.
I don't remember any of the words that are written down.
What we have in our pro kits. I can't remember the rest of what I was gonna say.
Because it's going to help. I don't even know what I'm trying to say right now.
The ultraviolet.
Dry skin needs oil on this. Like, my brain is not attached to my mouth. I need to make sure it's recording.
Yes, please. Are we rolling?
Yep. Is it just a little, like, kind of square light?
It's a little triangle light.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh.
It just means it's recording. Why did you get taller?
Because I'm wearing a hat.
Oh.
I noticed your eye line was looking at yourself in the camera.
Like
In the screen.
This has been such a gong show. I don't even know if this is recording right now, to be honest. Who loves bronzer? I do. Sheena, don't put this in, seriously.
Sheena's totally gonna do that now that you asked her not to. Damn it! Sheena's favorite time of day, 4:20.
I can see Sheena doing like the box one where it transitions into a box.
Yeah.
I'm thinking Sheena can, while we're reading this stuff, she can put up
Like a
images or
graphic
graphics or something. I think she can cut into it. I think it'll be okay.
Think so?
Yeah.
Okay. Sheena.
Hopefully.
Sheena, thanks, Sheena. How about if you want to see a compilation of all the F-bombs I drop?
Watch all our videos.
Watch all of our videos. Oh, fuck. It's gonna be a long day. And shit. Fuck. Damn it. I can do it again. Fuck. Shit. Shit. Fuck. 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 Okay.
Have you been struggling with problematic skin?
Oh my god, who loves bronzer?
It feels very like multi-level marketing.
Feeling dry.
And decrepit. So how do you use them?
No.
In today's Tea Party episode, we will be discussing the benefits of
Positivity and beauty?
Imagine if our channel was just completely monotone.
Hello, creating a smoky eye can be intimidating.
But we will show you how. Badass brows.
We can move it. Universal cream. Universal cream.
Let me draw your winged liner.
We could do the magic of TV.
And if you're in Vancouver, you should just hire us.
Just give us a call if you're on the island or in Vancouver, and then you don't have to worry about any of it.
You don't have to worry about it.